Is your iPhone's 80% charging limit is not working? This feature can sometimes run into issues due to settings or configurations on your device. Don't worry though, I'm here to walk you through some easy steps to troubleshoot and fix the problem. Let's dive in and get your iPhone charging the way it should. Solution 1. Verified optimized battery charging is enabled. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap on Battery. Tap on Battery Health and Charging. Make sure Optimized Battery Charging is toggled on. If it's off, turn it on to enable the 80% charging limit. After that, restart your iPhone to apply the changes. Solution 2. Ensure location services are enabled. Optimized battery charging uses location services to understand your charging habits. Here's how to make sure they're turned on. Open Settings again. Scroll down and tap on Privacy and Security. Tap Location Services. Ensure that Location Services is toggled on. Scroll down to System Services and make sure both System Customization and Significant Locations are enabled. Solution 3. Reset all settings. If the issue still isn't resolved, resetting all settings could help clear out any software conflicts. Open Settings once more. Tap on General. Scroll down and tap Select Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap Reset, then choose Reset All Settings. Don't worry, this won't delete your data, but it will reset Wi-Fi networks and configurations. After the reset, don't forget to go back into Battery Health and Charging and re-enable Optimized Battery Charging. That's it. By following these steps, you should be able to get the 80% charging limit working again on your iPhone and keep your battery in the top shape. Let me know if these steps helped or if you still have any questions. I'm happy to help.